Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make pie pastry using an easy method. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 2 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of very cold unsalted butter, and about 1/2 cup of ice water, plus a pinch of salt. It's crucial that your butter is super cold and cut into small, half-inch cubes. This helps create that flaky texture we all love. Have a large mixing bowl and a pastry blender ready. Now, let's combine everything. Start by whisking your 2 1/2 cups of flour with 1 teaspoon of salt in the large bowl. Next, add your cold, cubed butter. Using a pastry blender or your fingertips, quickly cut the butter into the flour until the mixture looks like coarse crumbs, with some pea-sized pieces remaining. Then, gradually add the ice water, 1 tablespoon at a time, mixing gently until the dough just comes together. Be careful not to overmix. Once your dough has just come together, gently gather it into a flat disc. It's really important not to overwork the dough at this stage, as that can make your pastry tough. Wrap the disc tightly in plastic wrap, making sure there are no air pockets. Then, place it in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This chilling period allows the gluten to relax and the butter to firm up, which is key for a flaky, tender crust. Finally, it's time to roll out your beautiful dough. On a lightly floured surface, roll the chilled dough evenly to about 1/8 inch thick, rotating it frequently. Carefully transfer the rolled dough into your 9-inch pie plate, being sure not to stretch it. Stretching can cause shrinkage during baking. Trim and crimp the edges as you like, then bake your pie according to your recipe's specific instructions. Enjoy your perfectly flaky, homemade pie pastry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.